Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on GameStop. Ticker is GME. But before I get started, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. So we can see that it closed at 26.11. It was up 5%. And after hours, it dropped. Now it's trading at 21.58. And the reason being is that they announced first quarter earnings. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. It says GameStop fires CEO, elects Ryan Cohen as executive chairman, and the stock plunges. Company appoints Mark Robinson as general manager and principal executive officer, Elaine as lead independent director. GameStop fired chief executive Matthew Furlong on Wednesday and said that its board had elected activist investor Ryan Cohen as its executive chairman. Shares of the video game retailer sank 19% after hours following the announcement, made shortly ahead of the chain's quarterly results. In a brief statement, the company said Mr. Cohen's responsibilities include capital allocation, overseeing management. In conjunction, the company's former CEO has been terminated. Cohen, the founder and former CEO, allowing pet supplier retailers Chewy and a big investor in GameStop, had been board chairman. He also amassed and then sold off a stake in Bed Bath & Beyond, the home goods retailer that is in the process of closing up the shop. In a filing, GameStop said that Furlong was fired without cause. The company also said appointing Mark Robinson as its general manager and principal executive officer. So for its first quarter, GameStop reported a net loss of $50.5 million or 17 cents a share, than the $157.9 million or 52 cents a share in the same quarter last year. Net sales were $1.24 billion, down from $1.38 billion in the prior year quarter. GameStop ended the quarter with cash and cash equivalents of $1.06 billion. Popular video games such as The Legend of Zelda and Hogwarts Legacy seem likely to help GameStop's sales up ahead, and the company has cut costs in an effort to improve profitability. The company reported a profit in the prior quarter, helped by holiday season demand. Still, the two analysts pulled by facts that don't expect another profitable quarter until this year's holiday quarter. So you can see that it dropped quite a bit, and if we take a look at a yearly chart, it did gap up the last quarter because it did beat. This went from $18 all the way to a high of, this was 27, and now we are back down to 21.35. So I did get in, and my average right now is 21.82. Thankfully, I didn't buy this morning or buy calls, but even puts, you might make a little bit off of that. And so hopefully I'm just trying to scalp this and it goes up, but we'll see. They haven't been doing well this last quarter, so not sure what to expect. I just want to get out right now because you never know. People don't have access to after hours trading, so it might sell off even more tomorrow morning when people are able to trade during market hours. And you can see that a lot of people bought call options and puts, actually. So we have a lot of 20 strike puts, 10,000 volume traded for that. So did someone know that GameStop was going to drop? And then we have a lot of calls, 20,000 for 30 strike. Yikes. People lost money on call options, thinking that it would gap up again, but it didn't. And thankfully, I did not buy calls. I was going to earlier, and I held back, but I am still down because my average is 21.82 and I have 120 shares. I did average down a little bit, but hopefully it goes up to maybe back up to 22, 23. I'll probably sell it. Just need a quick move to the upside. Let me know if you bought GameStop, and thanks for watching.